coming around the corner and I know these boxes are here, or the box is here, because I, of course, got a notification from Ring. But I come around the corner and I see the box on top of each other, and it looked like it was just one box. And I'm like, well, what the hell? I know what I ordered, but Jesus, enough for it to be in that gigantic of a box. And then I realized that it's only two. Hey, fam. So today I am opening a new box of supplies. My sublimation supplies are here. And some other stuff that I ordered from Amazon over the weekend. I can't even quite remember what all it was, but it was business stuff. So, as per usual, I'm going to open these boxes for you guys to see what I got. So stay tuned. Say hi to the people, Shadow. And this guy is hanging out with me today because his human is on a vacation. Harmony is away for a week, and it's just me and the pooch. All right, so we've got these two boxes here. I'm going to open them up, and let's see what's inside. I did not go upstairs to get the tripod, so I'm just holding on to this phone of mine in an effort to get this open. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down and open the boxes. And we're back. Okay, so I did a full-blown business purchase on Friday. Friday? I think it was Friday. Okay, so I did not have a Rollo printer. I quite honestly didn't need one because I had the printable stickers that goes into the printer. But I had told myself once those stickers ran out, I would buy a Rollo printer, and just so happened a week ago I had an order and I filled that order, and I also got a new niece born, and I was going to send her some stuff, some custom personalized gowns, and I noticed when getting the shipping label for my order done that I only had one label left. So since that was the case, of course I didn't want to have to buy more stickers, so I just went ahead and pulled the plunge and bought a Rollo printer. So this here is the paper, the actual sticker paper. Sorry, I keep moving around. This is why we use tripods, people. But I really don't want to go upstairs right now to go grab the tripod. Oof, my goodness, that's heavy. Okay, nice. So we've got stickers for shipping labels. Will make printing out my labels a lot easier, and some tape. Now I used to have clear packing tape all over my house, and probably still do. It's probably all, oops, sorry Shadow, didn't mean to scare you like that, homie. It's probably all in my storage and whatnot, but I figured I needed to finally just buy one. A dispenser, a new dispenser, because I'm not sure, like I said, where my old dispenser is, and some tape. So I got a tape dispenser for packing. I didn't really buy a lot. I thought I did, but I really didn't buy a lot, it looks like. Here's my, ow! Jeez, oh Pete. All right, here's my Rollo printer, my thermo Rollo printer. Whoops. My tape dispenser, and then oh, this is my sublimation ink that someone suggested I buy. This is sublimation paper. I'm going to try my hand at some sublimation and see how it goes. Oh, I know what this is. I'm looking at this like I have no idea, but I know what this is. This is a black onesie pajama, adult size. It's for moi. I am going to embroider on it, and maybe heat transfer on it. I'm going to be trying something that I saw Debbie Allen do for her dance production of Hot Chocolate Nutcracker. I absolutely loved what she did, and I want to duplicate it, sort of, because I don't really remember what all it looked like. I don't remember what all she had on it, but basically for all the dancers, they all had matching onesie pajamas with her logo for Hot Chocolate Nutcracker on it, and a vast array of other things. I'm not interested in all that other stuff. I want to put something myself, and if I like how it turns out, then it may become something that is a tradition for me business-wise, as far as the conservatory is concerned, with my dancers and whatnot. We will see how it goes. I could very well offer it up in the Hustle Queen boutique, but we'll see. So here's some transfer paper or sublimation paper. This paper is by Inkjet. I was also told A Sub, was a good one. We'll try this one out, see how it goes. I just want to try out some shirts and some onesies and just kind of get the hang of sublimation on shirts and whatnot. And then once I get the hang of it, then I'll make some decisions on exactly what I want to do with this. I do know that I want to do baby shirts or onesies and kid shirts, because I already have some sublimation designs that I didn't know were sublimation when I bought them. And so I definitely want to use those. So that's probably going to be the first thing that I try to do, and see how that works out, so that I can also offer those up in my shop. And then I'm going to make some adult shirt stuff and see how that goes. Listen, I'm somebody who loves to learn new things. I like having many talents and know how to do many things and kind of be a jack of all trade. Sublimation just seems like the next step. It seems like a fun thing to do. Okay, I can't do this with one hand. Hold on. So this is the Rollo printer. It's not very big. It's like a good little size printer you could stick on a table. On a desk. And then it comes with USB plug and this box right here has what in it? Oh, this is just the power cord. There you go. Just a power cord. So nothing exciting in there. And then this guy right here is my sublimation ink. I'm doing a great job. Whoops. I just like looking at all the fun stuff, that's all. Okay, so in here we've got the syringes to fill the ink cartridges, the empty ink cartridges, and then this is the ink. So we've got a blue, the magenta, the black, and the yellow. You know that blue is a cyan. It's called cyan, but it's a blue. All right. So, because I only have one hand, and because I don't want to make this portion of the video too long, I will have the links to all of these things in the description box for you. And then the onesie, if you want to look at what the onesie looks like, I will post it at the end of this video for you, a picture of it, and I'll link it down below. All right, I am going to put all this away because I'm in the middle of trying to do some cleaning and whatnot. So I will talk to you guys later.
Yeah.